Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Reaper in Overwatch 2. Reaper is a formidable damage hero, specializing in close quarters combat. His Hellfire shotguns deliver immense damage up close, making him a terror for squishy targets. We'll cover his unique abilities like Shadow Step for flanking, Wraith Form for survivability, and his game-changing ultimate, Death Blossom. Understanding these tools is key to dominating the battlefield and securing crucial eliminations for your team. To maximize Reaper's impact, focus on flanking. Use Shadow Step to get behind enemy lines, targeting isolated healers or damage dealers. Remember, your Hellfire shotguns are most effective at very close range, so close the distance quickly. Engage with purpose, aiming for swift eliminations. Avoid direct frontal assaults against multiple enemies unless you have a clear advantage or your ultimate is ready. This strategic approach will secure many eliminations. Survivability is crucial for Reaper. Wraith Form is your primary escape tool, granting temporary invulnerability and a speed boost. Use it to disengage from unfavorable fights or to reload your shotguns safely. Additionally, collecting soul orbs from eliminated enemies restores 50 health points, keeping you in the fight longer. Always be mindful of enemy crowd control that can stop your ultimate, and know when to retreat to regroup with your team. Death Blossom is Reaper's game-changing ultimate. The best time to use it is when you are surrounded by 2 or more enemies, especially if they are grouped closely. Try to combine it with abilities from your teammates that stun or slow enemies, making them easier targets. Sometimes, using Wraith Form to sneak into position before activating Death Blossom can catch opponents completely off guard, leading to a devastating team wipe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.